Look at this leaf. This leaf. This leaf is called it's called Jupiter plant. It's called Jatropha blanc in French language. In Igbo, Akwamwa Igbo. In Igbo, I don't know. Comment, what is the name in Igbo? In Yoruba, I don't know. What is the name in Yoruba? This leaf is called Tegbosuma. You are someone that winch have heard you in their coven. They have hold you for years. Bing, 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 bing. I will give you research on this leaf. You will do. They will leave you. They will free you. They will push you. They will throw you away. That calabash that break you, that have tied, they will bust, they will break, they go and break it and throw it away. If I'm talking, some people are thinking I'm capping. These are what we have. See, I have 2 cars, but it's every Sunday when I have ceremony, that's to drive that car. Okay, I have 3 bikes. I'm always going in the bush with bike, bing, 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 with my machine here, learning, researching, learning. So that's why when we have learned and we have tested, we say tested and approved. We'll come and give you guys free of charge. You that give to you, you remember to pay a fee of symbolism because nothing is free in this life. Nothing is free in this life. So you are hearing me. You will do my research. Do it. Work for you. Later in life, give me a fee of send me something. A fee of symbolism. Oh yeah, listen to me very carefully. This leaf, how you will do winch wizard that have hold you for a long time, that are holding you, yoke of your forefathers are holding you down, going, say you will not move, say you will not progress, say you are bound to be a nobody. Oh yeah, go to this leaf at night. Give me one red collar, one black collar. It's okay. Give me money, any money, small money. Okay, you go there, you naked. You meet that leaf, you meet the leaf. Take Bosuma. You carry the red collar, open break am, we put there. White one break, you put there. Oh yeah, you give it money, any money, put it on the twist. Naked yourself. Now you approach the leaf. Don't plug it. Don't plug it. You have to be careful. Don't plug it. Okay. You put the red one there. You put one there on the leaf. Okay. You chop it with on the stem. The leaf is still hanging there. You chop very very well. I said, if your name is John Obi, I said, from today my name is Michael Elizabeth, or my name. You change your name. He said, from today my name is Anini. Or change your name. Give your name a name. My brother, from that day, anybody that teach that John Obi and call you anywhere, it will not work. You have changed your name until you know that your secret name. You change that day. Is that they start working? You that secret name, don't forget it. Because that secret name, that when you're praying, it's me. And then it's not a good name. If I a good name, I'm playing with you. I'm trying to put humor, but I'm fucking serious like heart attack. Fucking serious like heart attack. This is how you change your name spiritually. That's what I just give to you guys free of charge like this. Before you get to this level of changing your name spiritually, you go far in Oboni, you go far. But I'm giving you to guys, I am Tron Honor. I am Honoga Hosun Peji. I'm here giving researches. I have the rights, I have the tempo, I have the power to do it, okay? So nobody can talk. Not to will talk, nobody will talk. I'm giving you. But do it and be free. Okay? You put the red collar back down, you put the collar down, don't plug the leaf. You have the leaf, you have cleaned it, you cleaned it on the stem, you put it and chop. You did not change your name. My brother, give them 3 days. Anyway, they have tied you, they will free you. They will free you. The leaf is called Tegbosuma. What's it called in your language? What's it called in Swahili? Tell me, teach me. Please share. I'm called Hunk Africa. For any question and suggestion and complaint and request and checkmating, call me on +229 40 55 66 43 or call me on WhatsApp with that number. Ciao, ciao. Alafia lo.